So KyberSync system is basically a receiver module and a transmitter board. It has one control button, one LED, and requires only 4 wires to install. The receiver module has one micro USB port for battery charging. It has internal battery and 2 audio outputs. One is aux 3.5mm and another one is optical output. The receiver module has only one control button. To switch it on, you need to press the button for 3 seconds. Blue LED will start blinking and it will make the sound. To enter pairing mode, you need to double click the button. It will start blinking red and blue. And when it pairs to the transmitter board, only the blue LED will light up. So I have a KyberSync transmitter installed in my Lightsaber here, right here at the bottom. And it's really important to open up the area around the KyberSync antenna. And it can be covered with wood, plastic or leather, something non-metal, to not interfere with the Bluetooth signal. So once Saber is powered, we need to turn on the KyberSync transmitter by holding the button for 3 seconds. Same as on the receiver module. And then let's connect the receiver. And we can power it on. And we also double click the button on the transmitter. So now I have sound coming from both wireless and the Saber speaker.